Time travel exists. Here's why.
Einstein's general theory of relativity introduced the concept closed time-like curves, or CTCs. These are paths to space-time that loop back on themselves, creating a theoretical framework for time travel to the past.
But how does it work? And could it ever become a reality?
CTCs arise from solutions to Einstein's field equations, which describe how matter and energy warp space-time. One of the most famous examples is the Gödel metric, which describes a rotating universe where spacetime itself twists in such a way that time loops back on itself. In this universe, if you traveled far enough in a straight line, you could theoretically return to your own past. While Gödel's universe isn't our own, it demonstrates that CTCs are mathematically consistent with general relativity.
Another fascinating solution is the Tipler cylinder.
This hypothetical object is an infinitely long, incredibly dense cylinder, rotating at nearly the speed of light. The immense gravitational field generated by the cylinder would twist spacetime so severely that traveling around it in a precise spiral path could allow you to return to an earlier point in time. However, the Tipler cylinder requires infinite length and exotic matter materials with negative energy density in order to stabilize it, making it physically impossible with our current understanding of physics.
The existence of CTCs is not just scientific curiosity and does raise philosophical questions.
One of the most famous is the grandfather paradox. If you traveled back in time and prevented your grandparents from meeting, would you still exist to make the journey? While CTCs are mathematically valid, their physical realization faces significant hurdles. The conditions required, such as infinite rotating cylinders or exotic matter, are far beyond our current technological and scientific capabilities.
Whether CTCs are ever realized or remain a thought experiment, they remind us that time travel might not be science fiction forever. Comment what you think.